how to add money to card in Wise. Let's open the Wise app. And then you want to look at the top of the screen here. Here you can choose what currency you want to add the money in. So let's just choose US dollars. And here you want to tap continue. And here you want to choose currency and then continue. And here you want to choose what kind of method you want to transfer the money with. So let's just choose credit card. And here you want to fill out all the details and then tap pay. So this is how you add money to card in Wise. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please leave a like, subscribe to the channel, and I will see you in the next